a family is demanding an investigation of a Hayward nursing home accused of keeping family members in the dark about a deadly outbreak. KPIX5's Jackie Ward is live in Hayward with the details. Jackie.
Liz, we first introduced you to the Acree family on Friday. Now, with the support of civil rights attorney John Burrs, they're asking how Gateway runs and is operated. They say they're also here to support the families and patients still receiving treatment.
Why didn't Gateway have masks? And if they did, why weren't they using them?
This is just one of many questions Scott Acree and his mother Diane have regarding how Gateway was and continues to operate. They're calling for an investigation and filed a complaint with the state's Department of Public Health. Their 88-year-old father and husband Costell passed away from the coronavirus earlier this month. None of his family members were able to speak to him the 4 days prior to his death.
He was honest. He was compassionate, he was good, and he was kind, and always fought for what was right for everyone, regardless of the cost. And this is why we're here.
There should not be one more person endangered. One more person should have to lose their life. One more family that has to go days without getting a chance to communicate and see their loved one, only to find out that they died from something that was wholly preventable.
Diane said prior to March 14th, the day the facility was placed under lockdown, when she was still able to visit Costell, she never saw any staff members wear gloves or masks. Her attorney, John Burrs, finds that incredibly worrisome for patients who are still getting treatment at Gateway.
This is so disturbing that these kinds of numbers warrant and justify an investigation as to how this facility was operating. An investigation is warranted, but I will say that if, in fact, it's true that employees were requested and compelled to work even though they had symptoms of the virus, that's criminal conduct.
John Burris says his office does plan on sending a letter to the district attorney's office in order to officially and formally request a criminal investigation. We reached out to Gateway's spokesperson for a response to this latest development. They referred us to the letter that they sent out Friday, in which they said that Gateway is following all guidelines and recommendations. Live in Hayward, Jackie Ward, KPIX5.